The best solution for achieving a wheel flush fitment depends on various factors, including the specific vehicle and design aesthetic. We can get the wheel flush stance by installing wheel spacers, aftermarket wheels, custom fender flares, or suspension adjustment. The most cost-effective and the most common method is to install wheel spacers. The high-quality wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually flush with the fenders. Using wheel spacers allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel hub assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. In addition, BONOSS forged FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in pedal shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of wheel spacers. These notches act as accelerators which tremendously inert the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. So, the best solution for wheel flush fitment is to install high-quality wheel spacers.
Hope this video can help you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.